In first route get, I see that return view welcome, and view in resource directory and view and welcome. Okay, I defined other view in directory view. Name is Udemy and .blade and .php. Okay, and if return get Udemy, open return view Udemy. Okay, I say that if write Udemy, Udemy, open root Udemy. Okay, I say it is Udemy. Okay, refresh and see it is Udemy. Okay, and use I use our and HTML for post method. We can use post method in HTML, and I defined this route post and Udemy and callback define function and define this. Okay, and I define a name on function and $name. Okay, return $name. Okay, in this Udemy page I define form action form. I define it in routed post for Udemy. Define Udemy. Okay, method is post. Okay, method post, and I define input. Okay, input text name name, and define placeholder and your name and button and type submit and submit. Refresh. You can see form, inspect, body form. Okay, close this, and okay, body form, action for Udemy, method post, input, name, and button submit. Okay, I type name Tawhid and submit. Okay, page expired. Why page expired? Because in form and post method we should use csrf method. Csrf method is any HTML form pointing to post, put, patch, delete, post, put, patch, delete, route, define it in web route, and file should include a csrf token field. Request will be rejected. Okay, I define csrf csrf. Okay, csrf, and back, refresh. What is your name? My name is Tawhid. Submit. Okay, it is work, but error. I see error in root. Okay, check. Okay, web. In root name we can define this, and return request all. Okay, if refresh page, we can see name and token, and in name is Tawhid and token is here. I use our method request, and if change name, refresh, save and refresh, just see Tawhid. Okay, request method is get all requested of form and other. We can get request dd and request dollar request all. We can use these for see request all, and we can use this our dollar name dollar request name, and get a name of form, and return my name is dollar name. Okay, refresh. My name is Tawhid. Okay, and refresh this page and say name Mike. Okay, submit. My name is Mike. Okay, we can use this method here.